Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you easy way to create blue water wave background in Adobe InDesign. Draw a horizontal strip shape. Color panel F6. You can pick color in RGB spectrum. Fill color R0, G43, B149. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. R0, G72, B149. Outline color none. Draw ellipse shape. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Select shape and go to edit menu and step and repeat. Count 12. Select shapes and apply subtract in the path panel. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Select shape and go to edit menu and step and repeat. Count 5. R0, G93, B165. R0, G111, B183. R0, G155, B191. R0, G196, B188. R0, G214, B229. R0, G255, B255. R149, G255, B255. Select shapes and apply distribute vertical space in align panel. Again, select shapes and go to object menu and effects and drop shadow. Alt Ctrl M. Angle 0 degree. Size 10 pixel. Opacity 50 pixel. Finally, your blue water wave background design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create Wave background in blue colors in Adobe InDesign.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.